Miss. Miss, please wait. Miss.
Yun, you are the granddaughter of the richest man in Asia. Can't keep thinking about that ex-boyfriend who suddenly went missing. Today, you must go on a blind date.
Sorry, Grandpa. I'm going back home to pursue my own happiness.
Issue an order. Lock down all air and rail transport immediately. And stop the young lady at all costs.
Yes.
Chairman.
This girl must have run back to find Chinya. Give the order. All branches of the Yun Group secretly search for the young lady.
Yes.
Rumor has it that Miss Yun has returned.
I also heard that Miss Yun likes to disguise as an employee and inspect branches.
The director said, "A manager will start today. Guess her last name."
What's her last name?
Yun.
This is a photo of her and Chairman Yun together. She is definitely Miss Yun.
No way. I got caught stealing a bun.
Let's go greet the young lady. Hello, young lady.
My identity was exposed so early.
You are the young lady of the Yun Corporation, right? Hello, young lady.
You call her Miss Yun?
What are you yelling for, waiter? She is not Miss Yun. Are you?
These idiots actually mistook me for Miss Yun. Since Miss Yun ran away, I might as well play along. I don't want to reveal my identity. From now on at the company, please call me Manager Yun.
Okay, Miss Yun.
This person actually impersonated me. Damn it, I can't expose her. Otherwise, Grandpa will catch me. Yun? Yuninro? It's you. I never heard you say you were the heir of the Yun Corporation.
Our Miss Yun keeps a low profile. What do you know, you bumpkin?
Just a lousy waiter. How dare you know her identity?
So it's you, Yun Shuang. Used to be the top student in college.
Right.
And now you're working as a waiter here. Onya must be glad that he dumped you back then.
Chinya. Do you have any news of him? Do you know where he is? Can you find him?
Want to see him? Okay. But you have to sweep the main entrance first.
Why?
Because she's the hotel manager. If you don't obey, get out of here.
But this doesn't comply with Yun's rules.
In Yun, I am the rule. Take her and throw her out.
What are you doing? Don't touch me. Let me go. Let go of me.
Sweep it properly. If there's any trash left, don't expect your salary this month.
I never thought that I, the heir of the Yun family, would be kicked out one day. Xinya? Xinya? Is it really you? Why did you block me? Do you know, I've been looking for you for so long?
President Qin, do you know her?
I don't know her. I don't know her.
So it's just wishful thinking. See? A waitress like you, how could you possibly know President Chen? Why don't you go back and continue sweeping the floor?
What are you talking about?
Is this the service attitude of your hotel?
I'll teach her a lesson now. Can't you understand human language? I told you to go back and keep sweeping.
I waited for you for 3 years. Tried to escape the marriage and come back. And what I got was just your I don't know you.
Brother Chinya, today I saw your ex-girlfriend, Yun Shuang. She seems to be doing quite badly.
I met her just now.
Do you still like her? Do you want to get back together with her?
I've long forgotten who she is. Did you come to me just to talk about her?
Of course not. In a few days, isn't it our engagement party? I want to have the banquet at Yun's hotel and also invite colleagues to attend.
It's up to you.
You are so good to me. Let's go check the venue.
I need to find him and ask him clearly. How did my bag get here?
Who allowed you to touch my bag? If you break it, you couldn't afford it even with your life.
What's going on?
Brother Chinye, Yun Shuang tried to ruin my bag.
Yun Shuang, how dare you? Believe it or not, I'll fire you right now.
How can you be so shameless? Can't you stand to see others do well?
You're lying! This is not your bag at all. This is not your bag at all.
Yun Shuang? Do you know what you're saying?
This isn't Sister Nian Ru's. Or is it yours?
A mere waitress. Your jealous face is too ugly. I've never seen someone as disgusting as you.
Look, everyone. This bag is the Hermes, high-end custom model that foreign bloggers have shown. Even the silver buckle engraved with Y is exactly the same.
It might be the sales staff who secretly made a copy. I'll definitely deal with them when I get back.
Nianru has always been innocent, occasionally deceived by some money-grubbing, vain people. You know this kind of people best, don't you?
What do you mean? Say it clearly.
You, money-grubbing and vain, can't stand to see Sister Nian Ru do well, and even tried to slander her. She even has the only one in the world, the heart of the ocean.
The heart of the ocean? Grandpa gave it to me for my 18th birthday. How could she have it? And this bag, I have to find out. Is that so? The heart of the ocean? I've never seen it. Could you let me see it too?
Of course you can. Next week is the engagement party of Chinye and me. I'll invite some colleagues. I'll wear the heart of the ocean then. If you want to see it, you are welcome to attend.
The engagement party? Are you together?
Yes. If you want to see it, welcome to our engagement party.
Sister Nianru, can I go to your engagement party?
Of course.
Mr. Wang.
Mr. Wang is here.
Why is Wang Juicy here?
Hello, Mr. Wang.
Can't let him expose my identity.
It's this man.
How is he going toward Yun Shuang?
Mr. Wang is a top tycoon in Australia and also a relative of Director Yun.
Brother Chinye, where are you going?
So all these years of waiting have been a joke. Kenya has long since changed.
Xiao Shuang, why are you here? Do you know that Mr. Yun is going crazy looking for you?
Little uncle, I have been tricked.
Brother Chinye. Yun Shuang clung to the principal back then. Does she want to cling to Mr. Wang this time? Mr. Wang is not like the principal. He definitely won't be interested in her.
Don't soil your eyes. Let's go.
Little uncle, you must remember to keep it a secret from me.
Fine. Also, your heart of the ocean and bag. As soon as I investigate, I'll report to you immediately.
I'm going to sleep. Qingya. Mr. Qin, you already have a fiancé. Please show some respect.
How much money do you want? Name your price.
What do you take me for? What did I do wrong? For you to treat me like this?
What? Wang Juicy can, but I can't?
Wang Juicy. Did you see? No, it's not what you think. He actually is.
What is he? Tell me.
If I said he is my relative, would you believe it?
Why don't I know that you had such a rich relative before? Yun Shuang, you are full of lies. Vain and materialistic.
Materialistic. Full of lies. You are talking about your fiancé, Yun Nianro, right?
Shut up. Nianru is the eldest daughter of the Yun family. How dare you insult her?
You believe her, but not me.
You are not trustworthy.
Fine. Then let me ask you. Are you marrying her? Because she is the heir of the Yun family? Or do you truly love her?
I truly love her. She's 1,000 times better than you.
Better than me? Better than me? These 3 years, I've always thought you had some unspeakable reason for cutting off contact with me. It turns out I was too foolish. I loved the wrong person.
Love? You who for status would sell your body deserve to speak of love?
Kenya, the day you learn the truth, even if you kneel and beg for forgiveness, I will never forgive you. I hope you won't regret this.
I won't regret it.
Fine. Then I wish you and Yun Yanru a long and happy marriage. I will attend on time your engagement party. Fine. Let's see, in 3 days, how Yun Yanru will produce a second ocean star. You!
Yun Shuang, how dare you show up? The photos of you seducing President Wang. We've all seen them. How shameless.
You're spreading rumors.
You have the nerve to do it, but not to admit it, right? That's right. No one would want you even if you threw yourself at them. Mr. Wang is so prestigious. How could he possibly like you?
Yun Shuang, one must know their place.
Indeed, one must know their place. What doesn't belong to you, you cannot hold on to. The custom dress, I wore only once. The ocean heart and agate earrings. She's actually wearing all of them.
Since you understand, don't provoke others.
The ocean star you wanted to see, I'm wearing it. You can take a closer look, because after today, you won't have this chance.
Oh my god. This is the legendary Ocean Star, Sister Nianru. You're so generous.
Master Chin is lucky to marry such a beautiful, rich woman. So envious.
It's my honor.
Excuse me, I need to take this call.
Stop pretending.
Uncle,
Yun Yanru's original surname is Shu. She is a senior luxury maintenance specialist at Yoon's, Shu Dingjun's daughter. I wasn't looking at you since you recently returned, so I brought your jewelry to the store for maintenance, so you can use them anytime. I didn't expect...
so you're saying that Yun Yanru, just to feed her own vanity, has been stealing my stuff all along? To pass herself off as the Yun family's heir?
This time I came not only with the Star of the Ocean, but also with many years of jewelry collection. I also brought some for someone to broaden their horizons.
Nianru, you don't need to stoop to their level.
It's fine. They're not very expensive. This carnelian bracelet is something I bought with my allowance. And this Aang crown is a birthday gift from my father.
You're wrong. What you just picked up is not a carnelian bracelet, but an agate bracelet. And this is not an Aang crown, but the Edward crown. Yun Yanru, you can fake a name, but can these jewels really be yours?
Who allowed you to touch my stuff? Put it down.
Is what Yun Shuang said true or false? Sister Nianru, she even got the names wrong.
She must be making it up. She's just a country bumpkin waitress. What does she know?
Yun Shuang, if you keep talking nonsense, get out.
Is Yun Shuang making it up, or does she actually know? Damn it! I should have memorized all the names. I absolutely cannot admit it now. Yun Shuang, of course these are my things. I know you still like Brother Chinya, but you cannot ruin our engagement ceremony.
Yun Shuang, why are you so ungrateful? Sister Nianru kindly invited you. Otherwise, as a waitress, you would never see such high-end jewels in your life.
Don't you even know your place?
Yun Yanru, how long will you keep pretending? Deceiving everyone like this? Taking others' things and pretending to be rich? Is that really fun?
Brother Chinya,
It's okay. Yun Shuang, don't test my limits. Are you leaving on your own? Or should I have you escorted out?
I'll go. But before I go, I want to prove I wasn't lying. You say these belong to you. Then can you keep them until the engagement party ends?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Get to the hotel in half an hour. I want all the jewelry. Returned to its owner.
So you were calling your uncle. What could an uncle of a server be? A janitor?
Give it back to me.
Yun Shuang, you are not only vain, but also shameless.
I didn't.
Apologize to Nian Ru.
You want me to apologize to her?
She should kneel down and apologize to Sister Nianru. What kind of person acts all wronged first?
Apologize, apologize. Apologize, apologize.
Disgusting.
Apologize, apologize.
You think Mr. Wang is interested in you? He's just playing around.
I'm not lying. And I won't apologize. Who is lying? Everyone will find out soon.
Of course you are lying. These are my things. Yun Shuang, I know you still like Brother Kinya, but now you are not worthy of him.
The one I love is only Nian Ru. Don't waste your efforts anymore. This only makes me detest you more.
Miss Yun, I have urgent business.
Dad? He is the skincare specialist from Yun's. He must have something urgent. Let me go ask. Dad, why are you here? Don't reveal our father-daughter identity.
The store manager suddenly needs these jewels urgently. Daughter, let's return them to the owner quickly.
What's the rush? Just make up an excuse. We have to get through tonight. Dad, you have to help me. Whether I can catch Chinya, this rich husband, depends on you.
Fine. Dad will help you. Miss Yun has too many jewels. She herself can't remember clearly. When I delivered them, I accidentally mixed up a few. I came specially to apologize.
You're lying. These are clearly my jewels. What evidence do you have?
You are simply unreasonable.
Your things. You're still drunk from too much alcohol. What a joke. You poor bastard, you deserve this?
Yun Shuang, I've put up with you for too long. Since you're so shameless, I don't need to be polite anymore. Get out. Get lost.
Don't touch me.
How dare you? Who dares to make trouble on Yun's turf?
President Wang is here. It's Yun Shuang. She bullied Sister Nianru and falsely claimed Yun's jewelry.
How dare you? Who gave you the nerve to slander Miss Yun?
Yun Shuang is the granddaughter of Asia's richest man.
How is that possible? She's just a waitress.
Yun Shuang is my niece, and also Chairman Yun's biological granddaughter.
Sister Nianru, didn't you say that you are the eldest daughter of the Yun family?
Yun Shuang, what's going on here?
That's right. I am the heiress of the Yun group. Because I was nearly assassinated as a child, I kept my identity a secret. But luckily, this has also helped me see many people clearly.
Miss Yun. I'm sorry. I was blind.
Miss Yun, it's all Yun Nianru. She led us to bully you. We were forced to.
When did I ever lead you? It was you who were eager to suck up.
Why didn't you tell me?
Tell you? I did tell you. Did you believe me? You already believed in your heart that I was a vain woman.
I'm sorry. I misunderstood. 3 years ago, I saw you and the principal enter a villa. I thought you two.
The principal is my uncle. Did you ask me? You just blocked me. Do you know these 3 years? How I've been...
I'm sorry. Yun Shuang. I apologize to you.
Don't move.
I once said, if one day you knew the truth and knelt down to apologize, I would never forgive you. Do you remember what you said back then?
Love? You, for status, are someone who sells your body. You dare to talk about love?
Qingye, when you know the truth, even if you kneel and beg for forgiveness, I will never forgive you. I hope you won't regret it.
I will never regret it. Yun Shuang, I was deceived too.
Brother Qingye.
Wretch. How dare you deceive me?
You.
Brother Qingye. How could you hit me in front of so many people? Today is our engagement party.
Shut up. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't have misunderstood Yun Shuang. The rumor about Yun Shuang and the principal, you spread it, didn't you?
I didn't.
You still dare to talk back?
Enough! Don't argue in front of me. Now you still say these jewels are yours?
This person is Zhu Dingjun.
Xu Dingjun. You, a luxury maintenance specialist under the Yun Group. How dare you steal the master's things to make your daughter look rich? Do you know the penalty for breaching the contract?
It's all my fault. My daughter has nothing to do with it. She knows nothing.
Save these words. For the lawyer. How interesting. A hotel under the Yun Group has a new employee joining, and a manager, yet can't even get the name right? How ridiculous.
Don't worry, miss. Starting tomorrow, you won't see them anymore.
You did it on purpose. You knew it all along, didn't you? You just wanted to see me make a fool of myself.
I just didn't expect someone to steal others' things to show off. Yunianro. No. Now I should call you Shunianro. You really opened my eyes. But such fine jewelry, worn by a scumbag like you, I no longer care to wear. Let's go, Uncle.
Yun Shuang, where are you going?
Brother Qingye, are you going to leave me alone? I really love you.
Get away. Don't appear before me again, or I won't be nice.
Rawalker, are you okay? Did you fall?
It's all your fault. It's all your fault. Get out! Get away!
I've clearly proven myself. But why am I not as happy as I thought?
Yun Shuang, where are you going?
Does where I go have anything to do with you? Please stay away from me, Mr. Qin.
I know it's all my fault, but can you give me one more chance to make up for it?
What? After learning who I really am, you can't bear to let me go? Qingya, you disgust me.
Yun Shuang? You know I'm not that kind of person.
I don't know. I used to think I knew you well, but now I realize that people change.
Yun Shuang, you still love me, don't you? I'm still in your heart?
I loved the old Chinya. The Chinya from the past. Would never have disbelieved me. Nor would he have laid a hand on me.
You could hit me back, and I won't fight back.
No need. I just beg you to stay away from me.
Yun Shuang, I won't give up on you.
Don't you like Yun Nianru? Have you changed your heart so quickly?
I didn't know she was such a vicious person.
But you still fell in love with her. These 3 years, you and she have been lovey-dovey back home. While I was abroad, like a fool, sad and heartbroken every day.
I didn't know. I'm sorry. I really didn't know.
You didn't know. Yes, you really didn't know. You don't know how much hardship I endured to be with you. You don't know how many times I argued with my grandfather to come back.
Yun Shuang, hit me. Hit me, please. As long as you forgive me, I'll do anything.
Hit you? It would dirty my hands.
If I said, I've always loved you, would you believe me?
If this is the way you love me, I'd rather not have it.
I've also had a hard time these 3 years. Do you know, when I saw with my own eyes, you going into the villa with the principal, how painful it was for me? I drank every day, numbing myself with alcohol, deleting all your contact info, for fear that I would drop my pride, and couldn't help but come to you.
But you didn't even ask me a single question.
I originally wanted to ask you, but then I received the news that you were transferring abroad. Your identity at that time was just an ordinary person. Tell me, how could you possibly go to such an expensive business school?
From beginning to end, you never trusted me. Deep down, you've always thought I was a vain and materialistic woman.
Back then, Yun Nianru was whispering in my ear, fanning the flames, leading me to misunderstand you. I was also in too much pain. I was afraid to ask you. So I numbed myself. I thought, if I didn't ask, you would forever remain in my heart, as beautiful and innocent.
What's the use of saying this now? What's missed is missed. It just shows that we are not meant to be.
No. You came back on the eve of my engagement. You cleared up the misunderstanding, which means we are destined to be together.
This is just heaven, making me see it all. Let me let go of this obsession with love. Let me see clearly my own heart. We're over. Don't look for me anymore.
I won't give up.
Mr. Qin. Mr. Quinn, you think your status is worthy of Xiao Shuang?
I will work hard until I'm worthy of her.
Xiao Shuang is about to be married to a foreign prince. They grew up together. Even if you work your whole life, you can't compare to him.
Is what he said true? Yun Shuang?
What he said is true. I'm getting married soon. And I'm never coming back.
Don't go. I don't believe you truly love him.
Love? I used to believe in love. But you hurt me so badly. Now I realize only interests are reliable.
Mr. Qin, if you keep pestering my nephew, don't blame me for attacking the Qin family.
You think I'm afraid?
The consequences are unbearable.
Yun Shuang? Don't go.
Brother Chinya, wake up.
Brother Chinya, why did you drink so much?
Yun Shuang? Yun Shuang? I know I was wrong. Can you give me one more chance?
Yun Shuang, you are still thinking about that wretch. Apart from family background, what makes me inferior to her?
Yun Shuang?
Did you ever love Yun Yanru?
No. I never loved Yun Yanru. You have to believe me. Yun Shuang?
How can you be so cruel to me? Don't blame me. Yun Shuang forced me to.
Yun Yanru? What are you doing here?
You drank too much last night. I came to see you and you.
Get out.
Brother Chinya,
You did it on purpose, didn't you? You think I believed you? I won't hurt you.
no. Brother Chinya, I truly love you.
Shut up. About this matter, don't tell Yun Shuang. Otherwise, I'll be tough on you.
I understand. Brother Chinya, I won't say anything. Nor will I tell Yun Shuang. Dream on. She embarrassed me, so I won't let her off easy.
Come in. Little uncle, what's wrong?
Grandpa is urging. When are you planning to go back?
Did he really think I would go back for an arranged marriage? I said that to Chinya, just to make him give up.
It seems you've really let go. I think Grandpa won't force you into marriage anymore.
What do you mean?
Actually, Director Yoon already knew that Kinya guy is no good. But before he was just worried about you, afraid you'd be sad. He thought as time passed, you would forget him. I didn't expect you to be so stubborn. That's why he
made you go for an arranged marriage? Hoping a new relationship would make you forget him.
Yes. During those 3 sad years, Grandpa felt awful for you. But he's always been strict, so he didn't know how to show his care. You suspected Grandpa warned Chinye to cut ties with you, but actually, Grandpa never made it hard for him.
It was my immaturity that worried Grandpa.
So, how long do you plan to stay here?
Until summer ends. I want to go see my old place. Say a final goodbye to him. After all, I probably won't come back.
Fine. I'll have bodyguards protect you in secret.
Miss, we've come to apologize.
We were blind before. You can punish us, however you see fit. But please, don't fire us.
I'm firing you. Not because you offended me, but because as employees of Yun Group, you judged by appearances, disrespected our customers, and severely violated the company's service principles.
Zhu Nianru is our boss. Under her, we have to watch her every move.
That's right. We don't want to either.
I don't like employees who make excuses. If Zhu Nianru has a problem, you can report her instead of choosing to collude with her. All right. Get out. I don't want to say it again. I really just want to see the place where I used to live. Why did I even stay?
Yun Shuang. Can we talk?
I have nothing to talk to you about?
I plan to go abroad to expand the Qin family business.
Wherever Mr. Qin goes, it has nothing to do with me.
I want to tell you, as long as you don't marry, I will always wait for you.
Can you stop pestering me? Do you think, after all that has happened, I can still act as if nothing did and be with you without any resentment? I, Yun Shuang, am not that cheap.
You don't need to feel pressured. I won't force you into anything.
You say you're not giving me pressure? Then what is this bouquet? And this lunchbox supposed to mean? What you just said, what does that mean?
You're leaving soon. Next time we meet, I don't know when it'll be. I just want to say all my true feelings one last time.
Are you done? Can you leave now? I absolutely cannot be soft-hearted.
Yun Shuang. Oh no. Miss Yun, you can hate me and torture me, but please spare my father. He is old and can't go to jail.
Your father violated the contract, causing serious losses to the company. Why should I let him off? I am a businessman, not a philanthropist.
I can leave Chinye and never appear in front of him again.
Do you think now I still care about these things? Whoever he is with, it has nothing to do with me. Get out of my way.
I can tell. You still love him. I can tell. You still love him.
That's because you are blind.
You don't have to lie to me. The way you look at him is the same as how I used to look at him back then.
Yun Nianro, please understand the situation. Even if I'm not with him, he won't be with you.
I know. He wishes I were dead, but it's okay. I'm pregnant with his child.
You're pregnant with his child?
Yes, on the night half a month ago. We were together.
Half a month ago? He was still begging me to come back. But before I knew it, he had slept with Yun Nianro. Qinya, you're really good at acting.
If you let me and my father go, don't fire us, and give us 10 million, I can immediately abort the child.
Dream on. Chinya's child, what does it have to do with me? I am the heir of the Yun family, and also the granddaughter of Asia's richest man. What kind of man can't I find? This kind of trash. If you like it, keep it for yourself.
Has she really moved on?
Sorry. Have you been waiting for me long?
I would wait for you forever. This little time is nothing.
I don't believe you. What if you fall for someone else in between?
Of course not. I, Qinya, will only love you in this life.
Well, what if you're lying to me?
If I lie to you, Hit me, and I won't fight back.
I won't hit you. If you lie to me, I'll leave, and you'll never see me again.
That won't do. If I wait for you for a lifetime, will you be willing to look back at me?
Are you okay? Are you following me?
I'm not following you. I heard you were coming here, so I came to try my luck.
Since you are about to become a father, you shouldn't do such childish things anymore.
Dad? What are you saying? I don't understand.
Yunyan-ru has already told me. She's pregnant, and it's your child.
Yunyan-ru is pregnant? No. That can't be.
Half a month ago, you were together, weren't you?
That was an accident. Besides, the child she's carrying may not be mine.
You don't have to explain this to me. I don't want to hear it.
Did she cause you trouble? I'm sorry. I'll handle it. I promise it won't happen again.
Okay. I hope you stick to your word.
Please bless me. This must be Chinya's child.
Yunyan-ru.
Brother Chinya.
You told Yun Shuang you were pregnant with my child?
Yes, I am indeed pregnant with your child.
Then go to the hospital to check. If it's really my child, if it's not, you'll be sorry.
He really is your child. Chinya, you're hurting me. My stomach hurts.
Even if it's my child, do you think I would let you give birth?
But he's your own flesh and blood.
Someone like you deserves to bear my child. Come with me.
Let go of me. Let go.
Anything else to bring?
No, let's go.
Let's go. I hope you won't be sad anymore.
Where is Yun Shuang?
She's gone. I warn you not to harass Xiao Shuang anymore, or I'll beat you every time I see you.
No. I want to tell her that the child is not mine.
What a bitter fate.
President Qin, do you know her?
No, I don't. What? Wang Juicy can, but I can't? You are not trustworthy. Yun Shuang, please don't go.
The Yun family heir, Yun Shuang makes Haich, officially takes over the Yun consortium and becomes the new richest person in Asia.
Yun Shuang, why did you come back? Don't look at me. Don't look, don't look.
Yun Shuang, are you okay?
Did you know I would pass by here? So you deliberately arranged for her to clean here?
No. She is here every day. To clean. This is her work time.
Don't follow me anymore.
No. I'm sticking with you for life.